Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Tuesday, August the 21st, 2012, and here is today's midday market update. Taking a look at the indices real quick, we have the Dow Jones up 46 points. We have the comp up 13.88. The S&P 500 is up about 7 points here. The Russell is up about 9.8. The banks are the leading sector on the board today, even though we're having a nice reversal in the markets right now. Right now in the ES is currently trading at 14.16.25. Couple of highlights that I want to bring to you guys today. First of all, just to show you guys how we get prepared in the morning, I wanted to show you some of the things that we did today pre-market, getting prepared to trade the open. Let me bring that up here, and you can see I have my whiteboard right here. That's in the chat room. Levels to watch on the ES. We highlighted the 14.16 level, 14.50 level. We also highlighted the 14.25 level as R3, which we hit that today. Well, close to it. And we had some nice levels to watch off of BBBY, URBN. You can see here the key level we had on BBBY was 1640 as the inflection point. It's a holding below 1640 bearish, holding above 1640 is bullish. We were actually pick up that trade at 1643 and ride it up to 17 and some change. I'll show you guys that trade here shortly. But let's go ahead and take a look at the ES. This is our midday market update. I'm running kind of behind. That's probably why I'm talking fast, so I can get this video out to you guys. In any case here, going into the open, we had a nice little uptrend to work off of from the pre-market, from yesterday's session and pre-market session there. All right, this was a key trend line that I had in the charts from Friday's uptrend that we had there. So you can see how that was a key trend line to have on your charts if you guys watch the futures, which is what we watch in the chat room to gauge the market a little bit better here. So therefore, that was the key trend line we were watching. We got a nice little touch of that key that trend line right on the open. We got rejected. Then after that, we broke right over that trend line. But this is what we have to take notice of today, is the fact that we broke above this key trend line and we reversed right back below it. So what does that mean? I told everybody in the chat room that was a nice little potential bear trap. That's exactly what it was. We're able to get short around 14.21 on the ES, and so far those positions are, for anybody that took that trade, is in the money pretty nice there. Then the next key trend line we were watching was for this other key trend line that came from this reversal, from this uptrend that we had from yesterday's session, and then a little overnight low that we put in. So these are trend lines that we highlight in our room that we make nice trades off of. Whether you're an ES futures trader or whether you trade equities, these are some nice master trend lines that we work off of here. So anyway, taking a look at some of the stocks that we traded today that are in play, you have Best Buy. Best Buy was a trade that we took down here at 1640. Highlighted it out, called it out pre-market here, and let me show you the 5-minute chart pre-market. You can see it had this nice little bullish candlestick right here, signal a possible reversal. I gotta get my charts to zoom in a little bit better here. Give me 1 second. All right, you can see this nice little 5-minute candle right here, possibly signaling reversal. 1640 was the key level on the weekly time frame. So above, we had the above and below method on that chart, meaning that if it's above a key level, we're bullish on it. If it's below a key level, we're bearish on it. Key inflection level that we were working off of that was 1640. Stock opened up at 1638. Had a nice held offer that we recognized on the tape. Sorry, I had a nice held bid that we recognized on the tape. That was holding above 1640. Got involved at 1643. And I pieced out of it around 17. I know some traders in the chat room were able to take up to 1740. But just to give you guys a heads up on some of the trades that we are looking at. We also talked about the miners today. Gold futures are making a nice move higher today. 1630 was a key level that we've been highlighting in our videos, and it remains a key level to watch. All right, 1640. If we go hold above 1640 on the gold futures, look for gold prices to go higher, and you could thank the dollar for that, as we have the dollar selling off here. And I'll go through all those charts in my after the market update summary that I put out. So make sure you guys tune into that. But some stocks to watch here in the afternoon. All right, you want to make sure you're paying close attention to these gold stocks to see if they make another push higher. You have the GG here. GG, a nice strong stock, is going to be coming into some support that I already got a bounce off of around 12.15. But this afternoon, but watch a 39.50 level. If it can hold above that level, which was a key breakout level from earlier today, that could be a nice little area to pick up some shares on the cheap, like they did right here. Let's just watch these gold stocks to see if they sell off going to the close. Watch to see if they get if their shares get bought right back up going to the last, say, 50 minutes to the close. Just some ideas. Apple's definitely making a move to the downside today. Nothing to be surprised of for the fact the stock has been on a tear. And if you had your pre-market information on it, you could have recognized it was a bull trap once it broke above. Let me fix my charts up here. Once it broke above this, let's see here. Once it broke above the 671 level, all right, and it failed to hold above that level, and we got right back below the open price. That triggered a short. I wasn't watching that, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up with some of the different strategies that we look for, and this is one of the bull trap patterns that we look for. And what else did Netflix did? Netflix was a nice short that we called out in the chat room as well. This one did a nice little bull trap. All right, this is a 2-minute chart on the right-hand side, by the way. You have your nice little push up over 66 key number. Ran up, sucked some people into the long side, failed, had a nice little bear flag right here. We called it short at 65.80. And some traders were able to ride it all the way down to 64.90. I actually clipped mines up when it back tested the previous day's high right here. So just some trades to watch. Make sure you keep an eye on Apple. The markets in general are looking pretty good. I could drag that screen over here real quick. Let me show you guys what to look at on my other main screen here. The SPYs are back towards the previous day's close. Those filled the gap right there. Qs are still holding previous day's lows, but the Qs are pretty weak today. Of course, you can thank Apple for that. Qs are at yesterday's lows around 68. Russell's still holding previous day's highs, and the SPYs are right at previous day's highs. And we have the we have the decline in stocks outpacing the advancers today. One thing to keep on watch as well was the volatility index wasn't breaking down while the market was going higher, and we were talking about possibly purchasing some VXX calls today. I want to be looking at that trade in the later part of the day, but just some couple things to keep on watch. So hope you guys are trading them well out there. If you guys want access to the chat room, make sure you go to wallstreettrading.com. Fill out the form on the right-hand side. If you want access, you can also email me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com or go to mywallstreettv.com and type in the password SMART if you really want to go in right now. So anyway, have a great trading day, and I'll catch you guys after the bell. Peace.